what the exhaust looks like. So yeah, let's put this thing together. Okay, so we have the Screaming Eagle gaskets that are gonna go on here. Pipe number 2 is on. Now to put the can. So I just get these threads started by hand. Okay, so we are just tightening everything up. So this is what it looks like. It's done, I'm finished with it, and I'm gonna go ride. It's 10:29 p.m. It's been about 2 weeks since I took the exhaust apart, and I'm excited to go ride it. So I'm gonna go do a test run.